Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. Today I have 3 different jobs that are all hiring from anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter what country you live in, United States, United Kingdom, South Africa, India, whatever, you can apply for all 3 of these jobs as long as you meet the qualifications. But before we jump in, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home job leads and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss another job lead that I post, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube will send you a notification every time I post a new job lead so you can get your application in quickly. But without further ado, first up, we have the company Lead Simple, and they are hiring a customer success associate. Now, Lead Simple is a new company that was started in 2013, so they are still in a startup mode, but they are looking for someone to start out in the first 90 days tracking surface and common customer requests and feedback, communicating crisply, maintaining a high degree of customer satisfaction, demonstrating the ability to embrace new technology, and be able to learn quickly. Now, it does say you will be tracking customer requests and effectively communicating the details of those requests to the internal teams. You'll manage performance metrics for response times. You'll resolve customer issues. You'll continuously update educational resources, documentation. You'll collaborate within the teams, and you'll develop skills necessary to manage high volume of client implementation projects. So they are looking for someone who is embracing new technology, who can learn fast and aggressively seek out new knowledge. You need to have a deep commitment to customer satisfaction. You need to be able to communicate crisply and clearly in English, even if you live in another country. You need to be able to bring an optimistic outlook and attitude, and you need to have your own internet and smartphone. Now, this company does provide some benefits, including paid time off, company holidays. It says you get a monthly health care allowance and a yearly vacation allowance. Now, unfortunately, this position did not list the salary or pay rate. You would have to ask them that at the time of the interview. Next up, we have another customer support role. I know a lot of my international folks have said they are interested in that, so here we go. The company Open Phone is hiring a customer support representative. They're looking for someone to support their Open Phone customers and prospects by answering questions via email, phone, and text. The text, you will be using the Open Phone, of course. You need to be able to troubleshoot product issues and communicate with the engineering teams to quickly resolve those. They're looking for someone to identify operational efficiencies and help communicate those, turn customer questions into useful content like articles, how-to videos, saved replies, etc. Because if one customer has the question, I bet you there's another customer that has the same question, and you need to create and update internal customer support documentation as needed. So they are looking for someone who has 1 to 3 years of professional experience. Prior work experience at a startup is a plus, but not required. It says you have a bachelor degree or something you feel is equivalent. So you do not have to have a bachelor degree if you feel you have sufficient previous work experience. You need to be able to demonstrate skills and passion for handling customer inquiries, a great communicator with great attention to detail. And it says while you can be based anywhere in the world, most of their customers are in the US and Canada, so you probably will be working US or Canada hours, so make sure that works with your schedule. And again, unfortunately, the startup companies do not list salary. You would have to ask them at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have a healthcare accountant role. This pays from $70,000 to $85,000 a year. However, this will require some education in the finance field, but this company is looking for someone to plan and lead their analysis across their business. You'll be doing monthly and annual closes and audits, year-end cost reporting, budgeting, annual net revenue, and you'll prepare any worksheets. You will be working with a small team and you have a significant potential for growth. It says this position is 100% remote. You can work from anywhere, but they are really looking for someone who has a bachelor degree in accounting, finance. They do prefer CPA, but it is not required. They want someone who has prior public accounting work or work in the healthcare finance field, and also someone who is personable and approachable. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. But with that being said, if you have made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.